Hello everyone, today's video is on how to make scent leaf sauce. This sauce is very healthy and nutritious. The ingredients I'll be using are scent leaf, crayfish, dry fish I've already washed, pepper, scotch bonnet and habanero, palm oil, bouillon cube and garlic, onions, salt, and of course yam. I'll be pairing the sauce with boiled yam. So I'll go ahead and peel my yam. You can also pair this sauce with boiled plantain or sweet potatoes. I decided to pair mine with yam. So after peeling my yam, I give it a proper rinse. In a clean pot, I add salt and water and boil till it's soft and tender. I preheated my pot, my clean pot, and add palm oil. I didn't bleach the palm oil, I just add the palm oil, add onions and stir. A little salt to make the onions fragrant, and I go in with my pepper mix. Guys, this sauce is so delicious. Try this. It's a local sauce and it's super delicious. Added my crushed garlic. I just crush the garlic and add with my bouillon cube. I go in with my crayfish and my dry fish. You can use any dry fish of your choice. You can also use mackerel. Mackerel is also very nice for this sauce, or you can use bala fish. I used catfish here, dry smoked catfish, and the flavor at this point is awesome. At this point you can check for the taste of your sauce, and I checked mine is very okay. I go ahead and cut my scent leaf and add it to my sauce, and yeah, so guys, try this scent leaf sauce and let me know what you think in the comment section. If you watched this video till this very time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. It's actually free. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.